Good morning, everyone. District level program organized on International Women's Day. MP Dhanbir Singh interacted with the women. Get a survey done of appropriate places for the sale of products of women's self-help groups in the district so that these women can sell their product well at these places. MP Dhanbir Singh said this in a program organized on International Women's Day. While interacting with the women of the self-help group, he asked about the products being made by them and their sale. The women informed about their problems on this. The MP said that a survey should be conducted at the various public places in the district and women's group should be allowed to sell products at these places. He said that on the occasion of International Women's Day, we have been celebrating the strength, courage and achievements of women around the world. This day encourages us to fight the progress made towards gender equality and the challenge ahead, which shows the importance of empowering women through education, economic and social opportunities and equal rights. Governments, organizations and individuals should together create a society where every woman gets opportunity to reach her full potential. On this occasion, we call upon everyone to support policies and initiatives that promote gender equality and women's empowerment. On this occasion, the foundation stone for the construction of Bal Bhavan was also laid. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, BJP District President Dr. Kiran Kalkar, Sudhir Chandwas, Municipal Council Chairman Bakshiram Saini, CTM Jitendra Kumar, etc. were present in the program. Former Minister, MLAs and Panchayat representatives mourned the death of Satpal Sangwan. To mourn the death of former Haryana Minister Satpal Sangwan, apart from various political parties, social organizations and workers, Panchayat representatives reached the residence of MLA Sunil Sangwan on Saturday. While paying tribute to him, he was described as a public servant of the state and a leader with a development mindset. On the death of former Minister Satpal Sangwan on Saturday, former Minister and Narnaul MLA Om Prakash Yadav, Mahendragarh MLA Kanwar Singh Yadav, Barda MLA Umed Singh Patua, Sonipat MLA Nikhil Madan, along with administrative officers and Panchayat representatives reached the residence of his MLA son Sunil Sangwan and paid tribute.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस समारोह चरखी दादरी जिला शिक्षा में उत्कृष्टता के लिए पहचाना गया। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस के अवसर पर चरखी दादरी जिले को महिला और बाल विकास WCD विभाग के तहत सरकारी प्ले स्कूल चलाने में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन के लिए मान्यता दी गई है। जिले के असाधारण कार्य को राज्य स्तर पर मान्यता दी गई है, जिसमें कई व्यक्तियों को उनके योगदान के लिए सम्मानित किया गया है। हरियाणा के मुख्यमंत्री नायब सैनी और महिला एवं बाल विकास मंत्री श्रुति चौधरी ने गीता सहारण WCDPO दादरी 1 को विभाग की पहलों में उनके समर्पण के लिए सम्मानित किया। इसके अलावा अनीता इमलोटा ने प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेकर पूरे राज्य में सर्वश्रेष्ठ आंगनवाड़ी कार्यकर्ता का खिताब हासिल किया। साथ ही सुमन शर्मा चंपापुरी को सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्ले स्कूल कार्यकर्ता के रूप में सम्मानित किया गया। पायल दादरी 2 को भी सर्वश्रेष्ठ पर्यवेक्षक के रूप में सम्मानित किया गया। इस कार्यक्रम में जिले के शिक्षा में नवाचारी दृष्टिकोण को प्रदर्शित किया गया, जिसमें एक स्टॉल में सरकारी प्ले स्कूलों में प्ले वे विधि का उपयोग करके अंग्रेजी शिक्षण के तरीकों को प्रदर्शित किया गया। कम लागत वाली हस्तनिर्मित शिक्षण अधिगम सामग्री का प्रदर्शन किया गया, जो आकर्षण का विशेष केंद्र रहा। स्टॉल का आयोजन श्री रजत प्रथम, सरिता रॉकेट लनिंग और पर्यवेक्षकों सुमनलता, पूनम तथा ऋतु ने किया था। यह मान्यता जिले की गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा प्रदान करने और महिलाओं और बच्चों को सशक्त बनाने के प्रति प्रतिबद्धता का प्रमाण है। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस के रूप में हम गीता सहारन और अनीता जैसे व्यक्तियों के निरंतर प्रयासों को स्वीकार करते हैं, जो अपने समुदायों में सकारात्मक प्रभाव डाल रहे हैं।
6693 cases settled in the National Lok Adalat CGM Sanjeev Kajla. National Lok Adalat was organized as per the order of Haryana State Legal Services Authority and under the guidance of District Legal Services Authority Chairman and District and Session Judge Naresh Kumar. 6693 cases were settled in the National Lok Adalat. Secretary of District Legal Services Authority and CGM Sanjeev Kajla said that the first National Lok Adalat of this year was organized in the judicial complex of the district headquarters on Saturday. District Legal Services Authority Chairman and District and Session Judge Naresh Kumar observed the National Lok Adalat organized in all the court. He congratulated and wished the beneficiaries on mutual consent settlement in the National Lok Adalat. CGM Sanjeev Kajla said that Lok Adalat is a system of alternative dispute resolution which has established itself as a system with changing times in India. Lok Adalat not only resolve pending disputes and disputes arising between the party but also ensure social harmony as the party to the dispute settle their cases amicably to their full satisfaction. This reduces the pendency of the courts as the cases are settled amicably with the consent of parties by eliminating further proceedings from appeals and revisions and providing them with speedy and effective justice. Apart from settlement and disputes, the party get the benefit of refund of court fees paid by them in the cases. Chief Judicial Magistrate Sanjeev Kajla said that cases related to criminal, motor vehicle accident, family matters, challans, bank loans, civil cases, check bounce, revenue extra the placed in the Lok Adalat. He informed that in this National Lok Adalat organized out of the total 9097 cases placed in the Lok Adalat of Charkhi Dadri, 6693 cases were settled and a total amount of 45,527,640 rupees was settled. During this, the Secretary of the Authority and the Chief Judicial Magistrate informed that the district headquarters, the cases were kept in the courts of Additional District Session Judge Mr. Jasmeer Singh Kundu, Chief Judicial Magistrate Mrs. Meenakshi, Judicial Magistrate Mr. Dhampal and Judicial Magistrate Mr. Lakshay Garag. During this, the advocates and panel advocates of the both parties are also present. So, thank you. Take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.